Hello, this is Dr. David 𝐼𝐚𝐦𝐢𝐥𝐲 with Family First Wellness Center in Columbia, Missouri. And I'm here to talk with you about peripheral neuropathy and one of the ways that we treat it in our office completely differently than what you've probably heard in the past. Now, we've all been told throughout the whole course of our lives that you are what you eat. We all know this. We know that if we are eating deep fried Twinkies and drinking beer, probably not going to be the healthiest that we could possibly be. But with peripheral neuropathy, which is a very severe blood vessel disorder, it is very, very critical that we have the right materials in your body to effectively facilitate repair. In other words, for our other interventions, for our other therapies that we're going to be doing, we have to make sure that you have the raw materials for repair in your body. And the only way to do that is by eating the right things. But thankfully, we've come up with a protocol and we have a way that we can get all those raw materials into you without you having to change necessarily away from your deep fried Twinkies and beer. So simply adding the correct ingredients through two powders, which are half a teaspoon each, taken twice a day. This actually gives your body all the raw materials it needs to produce nitric oxide and VEGF, which are two very critical ingredients in something called angiogenesis. Angiogenesis is what your body does to grow new blood vessels. So if you're going to build a house, you need to have 2x4s and nails, or you're not going to get very far. So we need to have this nitric oxide, we need to have this VEGF in there in order for your body to regrow those blood vessels so that your nerves can now repair themselves, with those new blood vessels bringing nutrients and oxygen to those damaged nerves. For this and other information on how it is we treat peripheral neuropathy completely differently than what you've probably heard in the past, click on the link below. I'd be happy to talk with you.